In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from PayPal to Nubank. The process is simple, so follow along and you'll learn it quickly. First, you need to link your Nubank account to PayPal. To do this, open the PayPal website or app and go to your wallet. I'm showing the process on the website, but you can do everything through the app as well. In the wallet, look for the option Add a Card or Bank and then click Add a Bank Account. After that, fill in the required information: bank name, bank number, agency number, checking account number, and the account digit. If you don't know these details, just open the Nubank app. They're available in your profile. Once you add the bank account, it will be ready to receive transfers. In the past, PayPal allowed manual transfers. Today, that option no longer exists. If you open the Send and Request menu, you'll see that the only option is sending money to other PayPal users. According to PayPal's official information, all transfers are now automatic. So whenever you receive a payment in reais, dollars, or any other currency, the money will be sent automatically to your linked bank account. It can be Nubank, Mercado Pago, Banco Inter, or any other. The money usually arrives within 3 business days. If you have multiple bank accounts added, you can choose one as your primary account. All payments you receive will be transferred to that account automatically. Unfortunately, you can no longer choose when the transfer happens, but if you already linked your Nubank account, all you need to do is wait for the automatic processing.